but it is Mother Nature who could be bringing the fireworks tonight. NASA says there's a chance we'll get a glimpse of a new meteor shower overnight into tomorrow morning. The Earth will be passing through the debris field of a comet which broke apart in the 90s, and the resulting meteor storm could include more than 1,000 shooting stars per hour. That's incredible. Of course, that is if the skies can stay clear.
What time are we talking about?
So this is supposed to peak around midnight.
Oh.
And what there is of it, there's a lot of unknowns. We don't know how long it'll last.
But what am I looking for?
So we're looking for little meteors.
Okay.
Like little flashes of light in the sky. But here's the
Shooting
thing.
stars like that.
This is a mystery. You heard what Rekha said. This is a new one. So we don't really know how this is going to play out. It could be a complete dud. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you. But if we do get into the little tail section of the debris left over from this old comet, the Hercules could put on a show. When around midnight, rate unknown, but it could be as high as 40 meteors per second. We've had meteor storms like this in the past. We had a big one in 1966. Look it up. Viewing conditions, well, partly to mostly cloudy. The meteors may be faint, but again, just go outside. Look up toward the Big Dipper, the handle of the Big Dipper in the night sky around midnight. That's where it will be, if you can see it, because clouds will be on the increase as we head toward midnight and past midnight, and it may not be the best viewing for this potential meteor storm tonight, but we'll check it out. 92 is the high temp today, 90 is normal, 97 is the record set on this day in 1998. 98 was a big hot summer. Right now it's 81, dew point 73, feels like summer, but the southeast breeze at 17 is still there. That's been helping all day and even this evening, helping make these temps bearable. Hobby's 82 right now, Tomball's 82 right now, and temperatures will stay warm as we go deeper into the evening. Update on Agatha. So there's Agatha, Cat 2 hurricane. That's what it made landfall as this afternoon. Now it's down to a tropical storm. Winds maximum sustained at 70 miles an hour. You can see the path that it made landfall into the southern portion of Mexico on the Pacific side. Now at a pressure of 990 millibars. You'll watch that number come up. And we don't think this will be a tropical entity much longer. Hurricane Center has a tropical storm tomorrow morning over land and then fizzles it out. However, a remnant circulation, and computers are picking up on this, may be able to carry itself across the Yucatan or into the southern Gulf or the western Caribbean. And the Hurricane Center says conditions out here are marginally favorable. They've got a 50-50 chance that it develops once that little remnant circulation gets in there. One thing working in its favor, sea surface temperatures are 3 to 5 degrees above normal. That's warm water. That would encourage development. However, a bigger player will be the mid and upper level winds, and there's wind shear over the eastern Gulf. Now, it's not too terrible right here in this potential development zone, but as it moves north, that wind shear would impact it and probably keep whatever does form, if something does reform, relatively weak. So I think we're talking about a rainmaker for Florida. That's the most likely outcome from whatever becomes of the remnant circulation of Agatha. But by this coming Saturday, so we have several days to watch this, we may have a developing system here off the coast of Florida. We think it will be weak. We think it's just a rainmaker for Florida at the moment. This high pressure to our north is what would be blocking everything and keeping it away from Texas and push it toward the east and toward Florida. So we'll keep an eye on it carefully. Otherwise, our weather gets more and more and more summer-like as we've now gone through Memorial Day, the unofficial start to summer. Tomorrow we'll go to a high of 90. There'll be a breeze. There's a slight chance for a scattered shower, 20% on Tuesday. And then we'll do this again on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, low 90s, slight chance for a scattered shower, typical summer stuff. Saturday and Sunday we may go to the mid-90s. I'll take rain chances out going into the coming weekend. So full-blown summer. And then this evening, I'll be up at midnight. I'm going to try to take a look and see it, because if something does happen in the sky, you'll know it. You'll see it. A meteor storm is very special if it were to happen.
I hope it's worth staying up late. All right, Dave. Thank you.